After diving deep into expert reviews, user feedback, and spec comparisons, the Reolink Video Doorbell battery stands out as a feature-rich contender in the wireless doorbell market. For $119.99, or often less during sales, it brings some compelling capabilities to the table, starting with crisp 2K video recording at 15 frames per second and a generous 180-degree field of view. Video clarity, both day and night, is impressive. Daytime footage offers vibrant colors and sharp details, while black and white night vision remains crisp with sufficient illumination. The color night vision, although functional, lacks the vibrancy seen in daylight footage. The design is slightly bulky compared to competitors like the TP-Link Tapo D225 or the Toucan Wireless Video Doorbell Pro, but packs a lot inside its IP65 weather-resistant housing. You get dual microphones, infrared LEDs, a PR motion sensor, and a USB-C port for charging its sizable 7,000 mAh battery. The inclusion of local storage via a microSD slot is a major win for privacy-conscious users and those looking to avoid recurring cloud fees, though the 256 GB cap is outpaced by the Tapo D225's 512 GB support. Reolink nails the basics with reliable motion detection, person and package alerts, and dual-band Wi-Fi support. It integrates well with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing live video to be streamed directly to smart displays. Unfortunately, it doesn't support Apple HomeKit or IFT, limiting more advanced automation and smart home routines. The mobile app is intuitive, offering easy access to live video, snapshots, two-way talk, and custom quick replies. Settings for motion sensitivity, notifications, and scheduling are straightforward, though first-time setup involves a persistent multilingual voice prompt that can get annoying if you're not ready with the app. Installation is refreshingly simple, and performance is solid across the board. However, Reolink's cloud storage plans are notably pricey compared to TP-Link and Ring, making the local storage option even more valuable. Overall, if you're looking for sharp video quality, solid smart assistant support, and flexible storage options in a wireless setup, the Reolink Video Doorbell battery is a strong pick. Just know you're trading some integration features and storage economy for higher-end specs and ease of use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.